फ्रेंड्स, नोबल इंग्लिश क्लासेस में एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है। आज की क्लास में हम लोग कुछ पढ़ेंगे नहीं। आज की क्लास में ये दोनों नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे आपस में इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे। जी हाँ, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। तो अगर इनसे कुछ गलतियां हो जाए, छोटी मोटी मिस्टेक हो जाए, तो आप माफ़ करिएगा, ठीक है। इसी तरीके से मैं चाहता हूं कि इसी तरीके से आप भी घर पे अपने भाई बहन के साथ, मम्मी पापा के साथ बैठ करके आप प्रैक्टिस करें, ठीक है। अगर वीडियो आज की अच्छी लगे तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा, और उन बच्चों को भी भेजिएगा जो बच्चे इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, सीखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी डरते हैं कि हम किससे बात करें, घर में तो कोई है नहीं बात करने वाला। अरे आप स्टार्ट तो करो, ठीक है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप लोग ये लीजिए माइक और आप स्टार्ट करिए। ओके ओके।
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. And what are you doing?
I'm talking to you.
All right. So, do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I watch cartoons
When?
on Saturday, Sunday.
Which cartoon?
I used to watch Doraemon, but I now watch Pokemon
In English or Hindi?
in English.
Okay. And which series?
I watch Pokemon Master Journeys, which is season 24.
Okay. Season 24 or 4?
24.
All right. Do you watch earlier than that?
Yes, I have watched many seasons before that.
But not whole.
No, not whole. I have started from anywhere.
Okay. What do you play?
I play with my brother many things like Monopoly, Uno, etc. I also play some wrestling too with my brother.
Which type of wrestling?
Sometimes karate, sometimes kung fu, sometimes dangal too.
And you said Kung Fu. So, are you a fan of Kung Fu Panda movie?
I'm not the fan of Kung Fu Panda movie, but I am. When I watch that movie, I am very
Happy.
Yes, happy and confident. Have you watched Kung Fu Panda?
Yes, I have watched the whole 1 part, 2 part, 3 part.
You have watched 2 part too?
Yes, the peacock was there. And do you know which color of peacock was there?
I think it was grey.
Yes. And do you watch serials?
No, I don't watch serials. Just mom watch. But I sometimes speak in that. Sometimes I got scolding too.
Okay. And what are you doing nowadays?
I'm normal like I did back then in coronavirus 2020 and 21. And the homeworks has also stopped, but I go to tuition.
Okay. In Saturday and Sunday, do you go outside? Too much?
Not too much. At Sunday, not too much, but Saturday I go to tuition at morning. Do you go to tuition at morning?
Yes, I do.
How many tuition do you attend at morning?
Just one. English classes.
Me too, English classes.
And how many sister or brother do you have?
I have one brother and one sister. About you?
I have also. You are my brother and there is my sister. And do you play with your sister?
No, I don't play with my sister. She is a boring baby girl.
And she play with you?
No,
She cry to play?
she sometimes cry to play, so I play with her. Do you play?
I don't like blocks and I just ignore it and she automatically go to you. It's my trick.
And do you like to be with her or me?
I like to be with you.
टाइम अप, टाइम अप, टाइम अप। ओके, गुड।
अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर दो, सब कर